Hi everyone, my name is Alex Economoms. I'm here in Baltimore, Maryland. I'm originally from Connecticut. I came down here to go to school. I graduated in 2016 from Loyola University as a biology major, hoping to go to PA school. I've been working for about 2.5 years as a medical assistant for Mercy Medical Center here in Baltimore. I work in a surgical gynecology practice. It's been an awesome experience. Didn't have any formal medical assistant training, but they were willing to train me on the job at Mercy. So I was all for that, knowing that I wanted to go to PA school and this would be an awesome stepping stone for that. I go back up to Connecticut a lot. All my family's up there. A lot of friends are in the Boston area too. I would love to go to school up there. I applied to PA programs this past cycle, about 8 schools. I interviewed at Quinnipiac and Mass College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. I'm currently on the wait list for both, but planning to reapply to more programs for this upcoming cycle. Never taken an online class before, never taken biochemistry, so excited to be here. A little bit nervous, just trying to figure all this out, but yeah, nice to meet you guys.